You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Who is around, though?
Hi, brother!
Noma! Where's Mama?
Look at
Mama!
Hey!
Mama!
Who has this car?
It's mine. God has blessed us. This is our car.
My own car?
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
This boot is filled up with things I bought for you. Yes, Mama.
Hey! What kind of?
Yes, Mama.
Wow!
You got him, Mama, but I go back.
Again?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! This car is beautiful.
Thank you, my dear.
I now have a car in my house. Yes! Hey! God bless you.
Thank you, Mama. Amen.
So who is this?
Sorry, Stella, come.
Oh, Stella, come.
Meet my mother. Mama, this is Stella, my fiancée, the girl I want to marry and your future daughter-in-law. She helped me bounce back. She has been so wonderful to me.
So this is my own. Thank
yes,
you,
Mama.
Mama. You know fine thing. Mama, you see, I told you. I told that this my son is a good person. Yes. That God does not sleep.
At all.
And God will answer his prayers.
Yes.
Yeah, the kid. What is this I'm hearing? Huh? Look at me when I'm talking to you. Now you listen. This should be the first and the last time I get any report about you. Okwinanu!
Sister Golibe, I haven't done anything that will warrant Sister Danny calling you here. I didn't do anything.
You are very mad. In fact, you are very stupid. Now you listen to me. Nobody dares toy with my brother's heart. Do you understand me? And are you saying that what you did is not enough for us to call this meeting? Is that what you're saying?
That's not what she's saying. It's okay already. Say no.
Okay, please. This is a woman-to-woman talk. We have to trash it woman to woman. Please just go inside.
Huh?
I said we go inside. We need to deal with this thing woman to woman.
Sister, what she has said. You people have said enough already. She has made you.
Move it. You're leaving.
No, I'm not. I'll wait in the room.
Hello, madam. What is that? Please. You are leaving? Oh. So you want our brother to disobey us? Is that what you're teaching him? The next time you try this, you'll see the other part of me. Madam, sit down. Sit down, let me give you the rule in this family. Sit down, let me make you understand. You need to understand. Sit down.
Mama, why are you bothering yourself? Sister has already made the mistake. You can't change anything.
I don't understand it. Why must a boy be a boy? No wonder he's still answering a boy at this age. He just wants to stay a boy. Why would he allow his sisters to come and control his home?
You didn't hear what sister said. She said they were the ones that trained him. And they made him rich. So why not? They can control him the way they want. Mama, Chimike is not a bad person. The only problem I know he has is anger.
Shut up. Shut up. Don't you know that kind of anger can cause somebody to kill?
And he didn't kill sister for the 2 years they dated. Mama, if only sister knew, she would have worked on him. At least he could change because of her. And they would have made a good couple. Mama, if that boy was your son-in-law, you know nobody will come here and mess with us. You know.
Oh God. It's already too late now. This is like crying over spilled milk. Now my daughter is suffering. Because her boy wants to stay a boy. Be a boy.
Mama, you know what you told me that God answers prayers is true. I believe that now. Do you know since I met Stella, I have hardly gotten angry.
Who said there is no God?
There is God though.
Hey! And he answers prayers.
Yes!
Mama, what matters in everything is love. If anyone loves you, they will understand your feelings and know how to make up with your inadequacies.
Okay, for.
But if they don't love you, Mama, even if you're a saint, they will still find fault in you.
That is true.
That
That is true, Mama.
be mad.
Where are all those people, Mandinchi? All of them that said I'm not a good person because I was hot-tempered. They should come and see me now a changed man.
Let me welcome you well to my house.
Oh, Mama, because you came out. Honey, let's go inside and freshen up. Hey, Mama!
I am tired. How did I end up marrying a baby husband? What was I even thinking? Who would believe that my own husband cannot even make one single decision in his own house? His sisters now make orders in the house because they raised him and made him who he is today.
You see, that was the reason other girls ran away from him. But you said you needed a calm guy. I didn't want to tell you before you would say I'm not a good friend.
See, you would have told me. At least you would have tried to stop me. Now I know the value of a man that stands his ground.
Yes, you're right. Every family needs that one person that other family fears. But what if his sisters dies? Who will stand for them? Definitely not him because he's not man enough. See why I like Jamie here, huh? He's not bad after all. He would have made a good husband. If you had agreed to marry him, maybe he would have changed for you.
See, how did I end up like this? How did I make such a mistake? I am tired. I'm tired. Please. I can't even say a word. I can't even breathe. I can't smile. I can't do anything.
Easy.
See how it is
yourself.
How can Becky and Becky from America start suffering at the early stage of our wedding? Hey! Trouble here. You go there, trouble. Trouble. What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? Okay, look at Jamike. I didn't like him because of his temper. But he was loving and kind. Or was he a kind of boy? He's a boy. He's just a boy. He has the money, yes, and he loves my daughter. But he cannot protect her. What kind of marriage is this? Hey! Hello, my family.
Mama, you're still here. You haven't gone to school.
I don't want to believe that you made a mistake in allowing your sister marry that.
Mama,
It must be a mistake that we made.
anything about this marriage counts me out. You and sister made the mistake. Don't tell me anything about it. Meanwhile, you are still here. You have not gone to school. You want to go late again. You know they have reported you to the Ministry of Education.
I don't understand it. You know what is paining me? Is that they haven't even finished what they are supposed to do. The marriage rights. I can't finish, you know? Eh? But these people, they better not make me come to the city. Hey!
But remember, the ways of God is different from men. Onye chinazo, because you seek an ebere. Onye chinamele, koge mele. Onye chigemele, koge mele.
EJ love on the street. Those are village. Uncle, Jamie came there. Uncle Jamie is in love, oh, my brother Lee. Hey, Uncle Jamie is in love, oh, my brother Lee. Those are village, you. Kine love, oh. Those are village, you. Kine love, oh. Hey.
Nothing on earth lasts forever.
Madam Principal, good afternoon.
Okonkwo, how are you?
I'm not fine. I told you I'll be coming to carry your carrot. Jamike spoiled. Instead, you give it to another person.
But I told you I needed cash. And since you could not come up with the money, I had to give it to the person that came with physical cash.
Agnes, say the bad. Agnes, Afofigisi. Yes, I understand. I I know I'm a poor man and I have money. Even with the big money that your in-law brought for you, you still want more. What are you saving that money for? Do you have a male child? You don't have a male child? You are okay? You know? Eh? Very soon, your second daughter will be getting married. Who is going to inherit all that money? I am waiting for the day you will die. Eh, you should just die. I will steal everything. I will come into your house and steal everything.
What makes you think you will die before me?
Eh? Don't just worry. I am waiting for your death. I have told you. I'm also waiting for your own death.
Let me get fire, you want. Let me get fire.
It will hit you.
You will die before
me. It will hit you.
I know if your poverty will kill you. I know Mama who they will. You're pushing the road talking to me anyhow. What kind of rubbish is that? How can I even teach the children? Get them out of my way. You will die before me. I know if your mama.
Hey, listen.
You didn't tell me you were calling.
No, what are you doing?
I said, you not tell me you were calling.
And you did not answer my question. What are you doing?
Oh, I was just sleeping in the living room. How are you?
I asked you, what were you doing and where is your wife?
Sister, I already answered you. I told you I'm sleeping in the living room. My wife, she went to work. She went to where she's doing her primary assignments.
She went to where she's doing her primary assignments and you are sweeping the house for her. And probably you're going to...
No, you're getting it wrong. Okay. Sweeping the house for us. So that's our house together. So what happened is we actually we woke up late and then she was running late to work and she tried to beg me to sweep the house. I did not let her beg. So when she tried to beg, I stopped her and I volunteered to do it myself. So
you volunteered? Ah boy, does she know how much I spent to bring her to this town just to be close to you as her husband? She went to her PPA and you are sweeping. Later now you will fix your food. Ah boy!
Sister.
Hey!
Sister, why are you getting upset? Sister! I am not complaining.
You're not complaining?
Sister! It is my sweeping, no?
Okay.
Baby, sincerely I am tired. I
I am so tired. I've had it up to here. I regret going into this marriage in the first place.
No. Babe, please don't say anything like that. If I may ask, why?
Why wouldn't it end? Am I married to a boy or his sisters? I can't even tell. I've been living in hell in that house. My only happiness is that I haven't gone through with the traditional marriage and the white wedding. That is the only thing that's just making me happy. Because his sister is home. I think she's home. Hello, sister. Yes, I'm in school already. What? Sister, I said I'm almost... She cut the call.
What did she say?
She wants me to come back home.
Why?
Why will you call her and ask her to come back? You want her to leave her job?
Beke does not. She does not even have the guts to disobey me. She has to come back. She asked you to sweep, and probably fix your food. As what now? Who is she?
Sister.
Cello, one name, Cello. Does she know how much I pay to make this marriage work? Let her also know. Make it as a sound of note to her to know that she's not just here to enjoy your money. She's here to work, and she must work.
Sister, Adane, did I complain to you? Did I complain to you? Did I even call you?
I warned her. I warned her that nobody will maltreat my brother. I warned. Good morning. How are you? Are you mad?
I don't make any more.
You left my brother to be sweeping for you as what? Hey! Baby loss! You are very stupid. You are mad. Come on, get out.
I don't know, Guinea. Guinea for Melody, what did she do to you? Go Guinea!
So, do you know how much I have invested in you? You left my brother to be sweeping for you as your maid. I warned you not to. That no woman can maltreat my brother. I am here for him.
Sister, what did I do to you?
Hi.
What did I do to you?
Obim.
Are you talking back at me? I will slap you.
Sister, Guinea for.
Why is she talking back at me?
Guinea for. What did she do to you?
Not bring her here for the sun. She came here to work and she will work. Not to work, to go to where I don't know. You are very stupid. If you stay out here, I will slap you. You are mad. What's my business? She came to this house, a man like this house, for her to sweep and do other house activities. Not to come and I'm going to rape. You are mad. You are very stupid.
I'm going to sweep you know.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
I have been sending for you for some weeks now, and you never bother to come and look for me. Why? Is anything the matter? And
Not that. I've been busy, as you can see. I'm starting my exams.
Mamo, shy. Ngbano, please help me rush down to the market square. Tell Mama okay to give you the fish.
Mama, I can't go there right now. I'm busy at home. I have something to do for my mother.
Chika, it's unlike you. It's like you're no longer happy with me. Mom, I never tell Elahia, a boy, you mom, not to marry you. You know I love you so much. I never discuss anything like that. Because it's written all over you that you are no longer happy with me.
Not that, Mama. It's just that I'm busy.
Let me go.
See that you have made a mistake. How did I get into this? How did I find myself in this kind of situation? Jamaica, I miss you. I miss you so much.
Baby, you're awake. How are you doing?
You covered me up.
Yes, I noticed the weather became cold and you were a bit shivering, so I brought the duvet to cover you up. I've also prepared your meal, your favorite. Would you like to have it now?
Jamaica, you prepared me a meal?
Of course. But of course you know I'll do anything for you, or anything. Except that thing doesn't exist. I will even die for you. I'll go all the way for you. You know that.
Thank you. Thank you for loving me. I just want you to be patient with me. Give me time. I know that one day I will love you same way you love me.
You don't even need to love me back. Listen, I have enough love to cover for you and I. I just need you to give me a little more time to turn and become a better man and work on my temper. Okay?
I will. And that food of yours, okay. I hope it tastes good.
You need to taste it.
Mm-hmm.
Should I go ahead?
Yeah.
I washed and hung my clothes before you. Why would you take off my clothes from the wire and hang your own clothes?
You the mad? No, something the one for head. If you know say your name Nabeke, try come out for this clothes so I'll hang for this wire.
Simon, you have spaces here to hang
try
your own
come
clothes.
out.
Yeah, see, you have another space here. Why would you remove my own clothes from here and hang yours?
Baby. What's going on here?
See you. I hung my clothes, went into the house, only for me to come out. I found out that he removed my clothes and hung his. And that's just, you still have other spaces there.
I know they talk too much. Try come out them. Guy, you they mad. Is something wrong with your head? Or guy, you look for trouble, oh. You the I go enter you. You go enter me. You the look for trouble, oh. I go.
I hear you. See, I don't tell you the most important thing. Excuse me. That guy.
Bro, excuse me. We're about leaving.
I don't tell you. Okay. See, tell them, make you waka. Because I told them to go. So enter that area to go.
Bros, I said we want to leave.
See, you better tell them. I dey come that area tomorrow morning. See, if I get time, if I see him, see, I go just murder him. You know how they be now. You feel me? If I come there tomorrow morning, what I go do, man? You no go believe him.
Henry, he said you should come down. We want to go out.
You the crazy? Beke, you the mad? On how you go come, and they interrupt my call? You notice I don't call?
What do you mean you're on a call? Is this your room? Don't you have a room inside? What do you mean I'm interrupting your call? Go, come down from the car so we could leave.
Hi. Now me, we be small, now they talk to like this. But you don't fear for this area, now they talk. See, you talk to me like that.
No.
Wait, small. What is the meaning of this? Why are you harassing him? He simply told you to come down from the castle, we could leave. What is your problem? Eh?
You want to know my problem for
yes,
this area?
I want to know your problem. What is it?
No, bros, I beg. Calm down, I beg. You know, she's not really shouting at you. It's just...
Listen, there is no need for you to say anything to him. You will leave this place. Why are you begging him? This is just a foolish man.
You're the man!
Hey, no, bros, wait. Make I tell you.
I love that one. Alright. You see the foolishness to me for this area around this one. But can you open your mouth? You take the chop yam and talk to me, man, foolish man.
Henry, what is the meaning of this now? Please just come down from the castle, we can go. I'm begging you, please.
Bros, I beg. She know me now. I beg, no vex. It's not like she's shouting at you. It's just the nature of her voice. Yes, just that's how she sounds.
Nature of her voice?
I am begging you in God's name. We are very peaceful people. Just come down and allow us go. Biko.
Beke, what I know for this area? Okay, I go plan now, make you show. I go plan now, make you show.
Hey!
See. Make I show us more.
What are you doing?
Hey, no, bros, Biko.
Why are you begging
you? You never reach like that.
Boy, why are you begging?
What
is wrong with you? Why are you begging me? Small. What is the meaning of this?
Bros, Biko, remove your hand from your bag. Please, Biko. Give me some money. Please. Biko, my mother said I'm Iroko. I only Iroko. Biko, please. Biko. Hey, please. Leave your hand in your bag. Biko. Please. Biko. I beg you.
Hey, what is area?
Ignore her. Biko, please.
Alright,
Please, let us go.
Hey, okay.
Let us go, Biko, let him take his time. Hey!
Okay, we go collect now.
Okay, you guys collect now. Come on. No. We are peaceful people.
The man.
Don't worry.
Them fake woman there.
My sister will take care.
Just collect now.
Biko.
The grace.
Biko. Hey.
Hello, my guy. How far? Now one idiot too, when they come my area, come they collect all those malaria reducer them. You know those things, all those pumpkin leaf. You go just put and they collect.
Vicky, you have made a mistake. I made a terrible mistake marrying this man. I think the best thing for me to do is to leave this house. I can't stay here anymore.
Becky and Mom, talk to me. Did he drive you away?
But he did not say anything.
No, Genizina.
I had to pack my things and leave the house. Mama, I am no longer interested in that marriage.
Don't even let anyone hear that nonsense. Eh? Mama, I married a feeding bottle husband. Feeding bottle? Mama, no. I wasn't married to him. I was married to his sisters. I have been living in hell in that house for the past few months. Please, where is Jamike? I need to see him. I need to apologize to him. Even if he won't take me back, I just need to see him. Where will I find him?
Jamike is no longer available. Jamike that is getting married very soon. Don't even bother yourself. If you see Jamike's girlfriend, she is so beautiful. And I heard Jamike is now very, very rich. The sister said she's coming. The sister said he's coming this evening. I will soon go and meet him.
Must you tell her how pretty the girl is? Eh? After all, Beke is even finer than her. Okay, they look almost the same, but... Nem, it's okay, don't cry. I know we've made a mistake, but it's okay. It's alright. Hey, you start looking for someone else.
Mama, please. What did I ever do to you? I have had enough of your problems. Beke this, Beke that. Won't I rest? Look at what you put me through. Everything I'm going through today is because of you. What do you mean? What do you mean it's because... What are you asking?
Please, just let me be. There, give me nobody feeding bottle, or you give him your own feeding bottle.
Mama, please. If you're not complaining that Jamike was always shouting at you.
Mama, Becky is! Mama! Don't push me, Joe. Am I the one that sent you to marry?
Besides, look at Chief. This man that married 3 wives that all died. He's now single and he has money.
Mama.
Okay. What about
you
Jonathan?
See you have caught,
Jonathan came back from Akwa Ibom. He's into oil. That's palm oil. Before you start thinking it's oil and gas.
Your visitor has come.
Which one?
Where do I put her bag?
In your room now.
I'm taking it to your room.
After all, the boy did not drive you away. You could have managed with the sisters. He didn't even come back with the car he bought for you. You'll come and look for somebody else. Johnson, I came back.
Aboy, how dare you disobey us? Now let me let you know something. Your sister and I brought you up. We made you who you are. Let me tell you something. That girl that left, she's not coming back to this house. As long as she had the guts to leave this house, she's not coming back. No way.
And yes, tell her to return everything we bought for her.
Exactly.
If she fails to do that, the police cell will be her portion.
Straight.
Are you two done? Adane, are you done? Golibe, are you done? Because this is it. This is the point where this ends. This is the point where you stop talking to me like that. This is the point where you stop telling me what to do with my life. With my life, Adane. I am done taking orders from you. From now henceforth, you do not tell me what to do with my life. Do you understand? Ever! Enough is enough! How dare you! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Do not ever! Adane, if you try that, I will slap you back. I will slap you again and again and again! What is the meaning of this? Enough! Both of you have ruined my life. You've been controlling me like I'm your play toys. You tell me what to do with my whole life. Am I the only young man with sisters who care about him? Am I?
Aboy, you know Abola. Are you mad? How can you talk to your older sister like that?
And that is the last time you talk to me like that. The very last time you will speak to me like that in my own house. You know what? I think you two have overstayed your welcome. Leave my house. Now. Get out!
Aboy, you're asking us to leave? You're asking your elder sister to leave your house? I don't blame you, because I have helped you to win the case. But I tell you, one day you shall look for me.
No,
let's go to the day.
No, you lie. You lie, Adane.
Let's go.
I will never look for you. Do you understand? If I'm going to die, let me die. Get out of my house. Get out. Go. Get in my house. What nonsense? Enough.
I prepared everything now. You can't move already.
Mama, as soon as I get back to the city now, I've set up the plan. We're coming straight.
I hope you have told Okoye.
I will. I'll tell him. I'll tell him.
This one is my own.
Mama, I keep thanking God for bringing her my way. If you know the kind of impact she's had in my life, I no longer am hot-tempered. She has reduced it drastically. When it comes, she knows what to do, what to tell me, and then it just goes all down. And she has the patience, the tolerance. She's just got sense.
I'll miss
it too.
No, man, you have seen it.
Yes, Mama.
Learning from how.
Mama, we have to rush now. The journey is long.
Yes.
please. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything I did to you. The way I and my mother treated you. I'm sorry. Heaven bears a witness that I loved you from the deepest parts of my heart. I loved you with every fiber in me. But I wasn't patient enough to help you with your anger problems. Please, Jamike. Please, Jamike, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Get up, Vicky.
No.
No, just get up, please. I bear no grudge against you, okay? Honestly, I've forgiven you. From the bottom of my heart, I have forgiven you and have moved on. You know, sometimes what we die for isn't actually what God meant for us. But it is okay. I bear you no grudge whatsoever, you and your family. I have a clean heart towards you. Honey, come. Meet my wife, Stella. She's been awesome. She has made me a better man. She understands my temperament and she has helped me work on it. She's tolerant, she's patient, she's God-sent. But you and I are still friends. Anytime.
Sometimes things don't work as we planned.
You go on your own. Open a heart of fire. I'm going to heart of fire. Why?
Look at this.
And Aloma.
Another change, never on your chulaju, or got you so if I'm a worker, yes, even Biana one at a girl. Oh, yeah, chulaju, no, I took one away. Hallelujah, Chukwasago, another change, never on your chulaju, or got you so if I'm a worker, yes, even Biana one at a girl. Sometimes things don't work as we planned. Life is mystery, but remember, the ways of God is different from men. Onye chinazo, because you seek in the bere. Onye chinamele bele, koge mele bele. Onye chike mele mele, koge mele bele. Niye nine, one dem rat waraya chukua. If I'm a worker, I